Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about half-inch flex head locking ratchet from Stahlwille QR series. In addition, briefly I will compare it with other ratchets from different best brands. Let's get into the details of the ratchet. The part number of this ratchet is 517QR. The length of the ratchet is 416 mm. It's a heavy duty ratchet. All the new ratchets from Stahlwille has same handle design. The handle is two-component design. Black part is softer material and the green part is hard material. Stahlwille logo is stamped on the green part. The handle is made of composite material which is highly resistant to the dirt and grease. Ergonomics of this handle is really good. Handle fits good in hands. Typical Stahlwille style matte chrome finish, which is obviously beneficial as less slippery. I love Stahlwille style matte chrome finish. The finish is very nice and consistent throughout. Stahlwille and the part number is stamped on the back of the ratchet head. Made in Germany obviously. What a beautiful piece of tool it is. I tell you guys, this is a robust ratchet. From the looks, you can see the quality. Everything seems made in highest quality and the metal used in this ratchet is finest quality of forged steel. Direction lever is made of solid metal and very smooth to switch on and off. Lever looks bulkier but it is well recessed and not sticking outwards. Quick release function is solid and robust, at the same time it is smooth. Listen to this, very smooth and silky buttery. It is fine tooth design. The teeth count are 80. It will be very handy in tight areas where the space is narrow. The ratchet has 4.5 return angle. Believe me, it is more silkier than you see in the video. Now let's check the flex mechanism. The D10 button is smooth and kind of stubbier since it's not protruding much outward. This is something to be noticed that Stahlwille come up with less groove design for flex angle. And what I mean by that, you can only lock the flex angle onto 5 different positions. Usually ratchets from other brands mostly have significantly more angle position than this ratchet. This flex design has thicker grooves, which has its advantage. Thick grooves means it will be a lot stronger than the fine grooves. Another negative is that the flex angle is always locked. You cannot use this feature in unlocked position and free to move. I wish Stahlwille bring that design. If they do that, then this can become my favorite half-inch ratchet in medium size length. Anyhow, this is an amazing ratchet. I have already reviewed 3/8 ratchet and that is already one of my favorite ratchet. The flex head ratchet are ratchets I use all the time. Flex head design is just so versatile. Let's try some socket on it. I'm a big fan of quick release function. In case of greasy hand, it is convenient to remove the socket. Socket seated smoothly without any trouble. Sockets won't fall down unless you release the button. This is also why I like quick release function. Let's briefly compare Stahlwille ratchet with other few famous brands ratchet. First look at 3/8 version. This 3/8 ratchet is really a low profile and has smaller head. When compare it with the other 3/8 ratchets, for example, with a snap-on. But if you look at the half-inch ratchet from Snap-on in comparison with the Stahlwille ratchet, they are identical on the ratchet head in terms of size. Just the shaft on the Snap-on ratchet is thicker and heavier. Both have 80 teeth design. The 10 button on Stahlwille is significantly stubbier than the Snap-on one. Guys, I'm not going into the details comparison. Just wanted to show how the Stahlwille ratchet looks in comparison to other ratchets. I'm also putting regular half-inch ratchets from Hazet and couple of long flex head ratchets from both Bahco and Hazet. I'm just trying to help if someone is interested to buy Stahlwille ratchet and wanna see how it look different to other brands. This Hazet long flex head ratchet is 30 teeth design and bit longer. Snap-on ratchet is 80 teeth design as well, but it is slightly quieter than the Stahlwille one. And the length of the Snap-on ratchet is almost same. Maybe Snap-on ratchet is couple of millimeters longer. This Bahco ratchet has low teeth counts and also slightly longer than the Stahlwille. I put more ratchets from Gedore and Kamasa too. These two are regular length design. Here you go more with the Gedore and Hazet. Guys, again, this is not a depth comparison. I'm just trying to show you guys how all these look in terms of appearance and sizes. Anyhow, I like this ratchet. This is certainly a heavy duty ratchet. Length is medium size and can be used in both automotive and diesel industry. I like the quality and workmanship of the ratchet. Feel free to comment below. That's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. See you in another cool video.